This is the Carote non-toxic, non-stick 21-piece pan set, and I'm gonna give you a tour. Now, I've already done a short cooking video, and I'm gonna insert some of how nice it is to cook in this big pot. But this set is phenomenal. So let's go through and look at these pieces. So number one, this is my skillet. Look how nice and deep this is. This is a substantial skillet. Now, every one of these pieces came the same way. So it was boxed very nicely. All of the handles were separate. The only assembly I had to do, this is the screwdriver that came with it, was to put a screw down into this handle to get this handle secure on there. But once I have that on there, this handle, it looks like wood. It has a gorgeous kind of wood grain finish, but it has the nicest, almost rubberized feeling to it that just feels so good in your hand. Now, it also has a nice little hook here if you're the kind of person that hangs your pots and pans. The finish inside these is the nicest non-stick finish. Now, because it is non-stick, you do want to make sure that you're using silicone or wood utensils, and it comes with an entire silicone utensil set and the little container to keep them in on the counter. So super nice there, multiple pieces there. The only other assembly that you have to worry about is the actual lid piece. So you had to put the top on your lid. But other than that, assembly was done and I was off to the races cooking. Let's look at the back of these. They have a super nice surface. Now, I use a gas-powered stovetop, but they're great for both gas ranges and smooth top ranges. They just have a super nice, smooth surface that is designed to really convect that heat evenly. So this is my skillet piece. Look at this nice, deep skillet, not skillet, but sauteing dish here. This is a phenomenal piece. This we use for so many things. That is another piece. This is a long chore, so buckle up. This is my big stock pot. This is what I use more than anything. Both the stock pot and this big saute pan have these lids, which I'm gonna show you in a second how they work. They have that nice deep flap to them. I'm able to pour from on both my stock pot and the saute pan. You're able to pour from both sides, but those flaps fit in there perfectly so that I can drain or block my water depending on how I have it set. So I'm gonna show that to you in my little pot here. So same thing, I have it with water. I'm just gonna show you how nice it is where I can drain my water after boiling pasta right from the pan here without getting out a sifter or a strainer and dirtying up something else. So super, super nice. Along with that aspect of these, I also have a steamer basket that comes along with it and the mini skillet. So this is such an incredible set. Get you all the way to 21 pieces when you include little details like the storing felt. So this is something I have not seen in any other pots and pans set that I have gotten, but it comes with 4 of these storing felt flowers so that I don't have to worry when I put these in to store them that they're scratching each other. They rest in there perfectly. Also comes with these 2 absolutely adorable trivets to keep your counter space from getting burnt. Just a really, really complete and nice set. So if you're in the market for something that is non-toxic, this entire set, minus the silicone serving utensils, is completely non-toxic and scratch resistant. But again, you do want to make sure that you're using non-metal to whenever you're cooking with them. They are washed by hand, not in the dishwasher, but if you take good care of them, this set is designed to last for years. So definitely recommend them. And let's lastly talk about what shouldn't matter, but matters a lot to me. How gorgeous are these? They're just beautiful. So whether you're serving from them, have them out while you're cooking, just a nicely done, great set by Carote.